Hello guys, hope you all are fine and doing well. So in this video we're gonna see that how we can add glow effect inside an image. So first of all, I am making this background layer as normal layer. Just double click on this layer and hit OK. Next, what you have to do, you have to make a path on which you want to add the glow. For example, I want to use a triangle. So I am just holding my shift key, so the ratio or perspective of the triangle should not change. So next, what I am going to do, I am changing the fill color to none and the stroke color to white with a size of, I guess, 30 pixels. Okay, this is fine. So what I am going to do next, staying on this layer, I am pressing Ctrl plus T. This will open a transport symbol, and I am pressing my shift key, so it moves on a special angle only, 15, 15, 13. I mean this way. If you don't use the shift key, you can rotate it to any angle. For example, I want it in this angle. I guess this is fine. I'm pressing my shift key once again to keep the perspective ratio, and I guess this is fine. So I'm clicking on this small arrow. So next, what you have to do, you have to make a glow around this edge. For doing so, I am just right click on this layer and go to blending mode. Next, what you have to do, outer glow, and click here. So you have to tell the Photoshop that at which color you want to add the glow around this. So double click here and use any color. So to check in real time, we have to make the size as much as possible and the spread. I guess this is fine. You can see that the glow opacity is really low. We want to make it a little bit more prominent. For doing so, I'm just increasing the opacity. So I guess this is fine, but let's change the color to something blue so it relates with the image. So I am making it, I guess, yes, this is fine. You can see that the sparkles here and the glow, they are interlinking with each other, and click OK and then click OK once again. So you can see that our glow effect is added. Now we want to remove some area of this triangle. For doing so, just right click here where it is written triangle. Don't right click on the layer icon itself, but instead on the name, and then go to convert to smart object. This will actually convert this layer to a single layer. So what we have to do next, just add a layer mask. Now you can see a layer mask is added with white color on it. So what we have to do now, we want to remove some area. Just make sure that your foreground color is black. Select the brush tool and make sure the hardness is 0, and size of brush you can change it while working. So okay, now you can see that our brush size is really small. I am just pressing my square bracket, so you can see how perfectly it is working. So yes, I guess this is fine. So our work is ready. To check the results before and after, I'm hiding my layer. So thanks for watching. If you guys like the video, please subscribe my channel, and more videos are coming, more interesting stuff. Thank you.